Are you looking for a high-yielding investment property that's already tenanted and ready to make money from day one?
This is it. Welcome to 34 Turin Street, Redbank. A modern duplex in one of Queensland's fastest growing corridor suburbs. Have a look.
Come on in. This property is 2 homes in one, offering dual rental income and a strong return on investment. Unit 1 is a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home featuring master with an ensuite, 2 living areas for extra space, air conditioning for year-round comfort, and modern stainless kitchen with quality appliances.
Unit 2 is a stylish 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit offering open plan living, air conditioning and a covered alfresco area. 1 property, 2 rental incomes, maximising your investment potential.
This property is not just a home, it's a smart investment in an area seeing rapid growth.
Current rental yield is about 5.6% with a projected future yield of up to 6.1%.
This is a high demand area with nearly only 1.9% of rental vacancy.
Strong capital growth potential with ongoing infrastructure upgrades.
Redbank is part of Southeast Queensland's Western Growth Corridor, making it a hotspot for investors.
If you're serious about maximising your investment returns, 34 Turin Street is exactly what you've been looking for.
Contact us today to see how the Simon Sells It system is able to get you into the best rental property in the market today.